Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product. I've been using the Urea Advanced Relief Moisturizing Milk for quite some time now, and it's become an indispensable part of my skincare routine. This face and body lotion truly excel in re-establishing optimal hydration levels, thanks to its impressive 10% pure urea formula. One of the standout features for me is its ability to soothe dry, rough, itchy, and flaky skin. The inclusion of shea butter, glycerin, and niacinamide goes beyond basic hydration, contributing to a visible improvement in skin texture and tone. I appreciate how it helps soften, smooth, and moisturize, making it a comprehensive solution for various skin concerns. The texture of this moisturizing milk is just perfect, silky and mid-weight. It absorbs effortlessly, leaving no greasy residue behind. The fragrance-free formula, along with being hypoallergenic, makes it a safe choice for all skin types. As someone with sensitive skin, I'm pleased to report that it's not only safe for sensitive skin, but also for those prone to eczema. I'm particularly impressed with the dermatologist-developed and dermatologist-tested aspects, providing an extra layer of confidence in its effectiveness and safety. The 400 ml size ensures it lasts a good amount of time, considering the liberal application recommended for maximum benefits. The incorporation of 10% urea, a natural moisturizing factor present in the skin, is a smart move. It not only supports skin barrier function, but also enhances water binding capacity, acting as a versatile humectant, emollient, or exfoliant depending on usage percentage and format. This has proven effective in addressing my dry, rough, and occasionally scaly skin conditions. The presence of niacinamide, vitamin B3, is another positive aspect. Its stable form makes it suitable for most skin types, and I've noticed improvements in skin texture and evening of skin tone. Shea butter, as an antioxidant-rich emollient, adds another layer of nourishment. I've found it to be particularly helpful in soothing and visually improving compromised dry skin. The skincare technology behind this product, utilizing 10% pure urea as a mild keratolytic agent, optimizes skin barrier function and enhances the absorption of other skincare actives. It's evident that there's thoughtful science behind the formulation. In terms of application, the instructions are clear. Apply liberally to clean, dry skin, massage until fully absorbed, and always patch test before regular use. These guidelines contribute to a sense of responsible skincare. The Urea Advanced Relief Moisturizing Milk has earned a permanent spot in my skincare routine. It delivers on its promises, offering a holistic solution for hydration and skin improvement. If you're looking for a reliable, dermatologist-developed moisturizer that goes beyond basic hydration, this one is worth considering.